Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my office. My name is Marek. In this episode, I'll create insanely tasty rice salad with grilled chicken leg. But first, I would like to present a collection of all components that we need to make this extremely delicious dish. Oh yeah! Amigos, extremely delicious rice salad with grilled chicken is landing on the table. Bon appetit! Bon appetit very much. Honestly speaking, I could eat chicken every day. I love it. You can do this in so many ways. That is grilled chicken, baby.